Hey y'all, good. It is not morning time. It is afternoon. Well, that's how you know I got my days mixed up now. Y'all normally I don't let y'all see my house like this, but for the sake of that, I'm just getting over COVID. I just got some grocery delivered. Hold on, y'all, say that thought. Okay, so I'm back. My bad, y'all. My mama had called me. I'm still working on the coffee, y'all. I'm still working on the coffee, so don't do that. But like I was saying, I was gonna let y'all see me clean up, but I'm about dang on done now. So, what I didn't do, you'll be able to see me clean it up or whatever and get everything together because I finally go back to work, guys. Not excited, but I'm excited a little bit. I finally go back to work. I can't get my words out. I finally go back to work on Wednesday. So today and tomorrow, I'm going to be getting stuff together. I'm going to be cooking tomorrow. I don't know. I might go to the store tonight because all I need is some milk. So I don't have to go out tomorrow. Might just do that. I don't know. But if I do, I'll record it. But right now, so I'm going to sit this camera down. And I'm going to go ahead and start finishing what I was doing, cleaning up. And then I have to walk Ace, of course, because he normally goes outside at 4 to the bathroom. So he's behind schedule right now. But I figured it was okay because by the time I come back in the house, I'll be just resting my nerves instead of doing all that I'm doing right now. So, like I said, the house look a mess, this look a mess, kitchen look a mess, just because I wasn't as active like I normally do, or whatever. I wasn't as active, so I was just sitting stuff down and going on about my business. But I've been cleaning this house up because, like I said, I'm not planning on doing all this stuff tomorrow. So some of this stuff that you see in here, I know look like I got a whole bunch of junk in here, which I do. But the junk that you do see, I'm not going to have it tomorrow because I'm going to drop that off too. My little cousins and stuff, because I bought that stuff thinking I was going to be able to eat it while I was pregnant. And I ain't been eating it. So instead of letting it go to waste, I'm going to take it to dinner. So I'm going to shut up anyway. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is the food my mama cooked. But anyways, I'm finna shut up and I'm gonna keep cleaning up. And when I finish cleaning up this stuff, then I'll come back and talk. So right now I'm shutting up. smoothie, which probably should put this up for now until I actually make it, which I'm gonna make it as soon as I get back in from walking Ace. He waiting on me right now, but I gotta finish doing what I was doing because once I come back in here, I plan on making my smoothie, boiling my potatoes, and relaxing until that get done. So, and then there's some ginger, some raw ginger, and I'm gonna end up using that too. I just haven't figured out how to do all that just yet. I clean those containers later. I know I'm tired now. I'm burnt out. My little apple. Poor little apple. Still haven't ate it. I light a candle when I come back in. This is trash. So this is not, but this is spray on these counters. And that's really it for today's video. I'm gonna take this trash out when I get back from walking Ace because it's heavy. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. So all the trash that we took out. All this trash. Now after I walk Ace, I'm going to put my little trash bag in there. Spray a little bleach inside the trash can. Yeah. Here we good to go. Oh, I gotta see behind this trash bag. I didn't see all these. So, but anyways, when you get sick, y'all know how it be. Everything be everywhere. That be no good. So, I should go ahead and pull this one out. Make it lighter. And go on the trash. So now I have to put this in the trash. With the other trash. And this is going, like I said, to my nieces. No, not my nieces, my little cousins. So, this is in the pantry for when I take it to them. So I got my trash out. Well, I haven't took it out yet, but I got everything basically done and set in place. Ace is like, he want me to hurry up. I want myself to hurry up so I could be done. But unfortunately, when you're cleaning up, you gotta clean up. You know, half cleaning. You gotta really clean up. If you don't want to clean up again. So, clean behind my trash can. Get my room dusting. trash that's going out. Put my bags up. This is Ace food. And then put it in his little cubby hole that I have for him. Still need to sweep this trash up. Or this vegetable that I dropped, and mop this floor when I come back in. And I am basically done. Finally. Y'all, that took forever. But I'm finally done. And I feel accomplished because this house needed to be cleaned. Now I'll take my rugs and wash them. My rugs will get washed tomorrow. Ugh. Not tomorrow, on Wednesday, I meant to say. No, y'all like, why she waiting all the way to Wednesday? But y'all got this big old washing machine, and I can wash it all at one time. So that's what I'm gonna do. Move! And then I mop this. So everything is pretty much clean. I'm gonna spray this stuff down so when I come back in, I'll wipe it down, go get in the shower, wash my hair, and once I wash my hair, put on some more clothes, and do a separate video of whatever else, because I plan on giving y'all some content back to back. Since I haven't been doing that. It's only because I had COVID, y'all. It's only because I had COVID. I've been saying I was ready to start really making videos. I know y'all like, dang, she pregnant, she moving already. Honey, after sitting down for 3 weeks, this is nothing. Well, it's something, but this is nothing. So anyways, that concludes today's video. Ace is ready to... Y'all, I dropped my freaking phone. Anyways, that concludes today's video. Ace is ready to go out. He got his leash on. He like, girl, you done said we going outside like 20 times. Y'all, my room is back a mess. Not cleaning that up in a video again. I'ma just have to clean it up on my own time. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Finna get ready to go ahead and walk Ace. Go ahead and make my little food that I'm gonna eat for dinner. Find me something good to watch. Rest my nerves. And that is it for today's video. So I'll talk to you guys later on in the next video.